Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video let me show you how to use a Radiance Icon Pack on this device. So let's long press on empty area of your home screen like this, and then in the bottom part of the screen you have to tap on Wallpapers and Style. Now scroll to Icons, and here you will see a list of pre-installed icon styles such as Classic, Radiance, Shadow and others, and let's select a Radiance. Additionally, you can customize it a little bit, so you can adjust the icon size. As you can see in this little preview, it changes as I move my slider, and additionally I can round the corners. So when you're ready, you have to tap apply in the top right to save changes, and that's it. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.